Marty, the rest of you goons and mutants, good morning to you. Really quick, this was bothering me last night. So with respect to these guys, this has the right look and feel of the 62 replacement part or the stock unit, but it's not. If on the other side, the insulation on the leads are more modern, pretty much in line with mid 60s, as you can see here. Same. This right here is a huge red flag, not in a bad way. But what does this tell you? Well, on the schematic for the 6G9B, this power transformer, even though it has the exact same numeric designations, should only be putting out around 365, 370 volts at this particular point, not 400. The ladder Tremolux transformer, like 63 on up, should be hitting the 400 volt range at this node. So there's a huge clue that this is probably the transformer spec'd out for the ladder model 6G9. So pretty cool, huh? And that's it. We're gonna dig in a little bit further. I need to remove the white rust there, and then I'll pop these caps off, and then we'll take a peek at them on the Syncor Z meter, and then we'll get her prepped for the caps, and that's about all we can do for today. So we'll give you an update then.